The town of Palapag, Northern Samar has lost its mayor. From a distance, residents of Palapag gave their last respects to the father of their municipality, as Mayor Manuel Aoyang was buried at the town's Catholic cemetery. The mayor passed away a week after testing positive for COVID-19. Aoyang is the first elected official in Northern Samar who died of the virus. He was patient number 6638 and the region's 68th COVID fatality. Aoyang was on his third and last term as mayor of Palapag.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.